Hello everyone, my name is Greg Poch. I'm the Vice President of Sales of Sepio Systems and one of the founders of the company. In this presentation, I'm going to introduce to you a rapidly growing cyber threat on your organization through rogue hardware devices. We see an innocent-looking mouse that is actually a Trojan horse. This is a story of a real attack of a maliciously altered mouse that was used for stealing sensitive data from a highly secured organization, undetected by all their security tools. Problem is that the use of rogue devices for conducting cyber attacks is rapidly growing. These devices are used for stealing data and sabotaging the normal operation of the organization while not being detected nor blocked by any cybersecurity tool in the market, including network perimeter, intrusion detection and prevention, endpoint security, and network access control. Only Sepio mitigates this threat. These attack tools are commercially available, inexpensive, and easy to deploy. Attacks based on insider threat and manipulated supply chain have become a commodity. There are three delivery methods. First is manipulated supply chains, which deliver infected devices to the attacked organization. Second are employees, contractors, and visitors that connect their devices to the secured infrastructure. This can happen by rogue or naive people. Third, APT campaigns where socially engineered people with physical access to the infrastructure are manipulated. It all started a long while ago by governments that created these cyber attack tools and used them against their enemies, but they all leaked out. And now criminals are using these malicious devices against unprotected organizations. Now, there are two ways to look at the problem. First, the IT way, where the focus is on asset management, visibility, and monitoring. A good IT guy wants to see and monitor everything. Why can't we monitor, regulate, and control hardware access as we do with the software? And of course, there's no security without visibility. Now, on the cyber side, the approach is a layered security architecture. No one can build a complete solution based on impossible to have silver bullet solution, right? As we all know, networks are based on 7 layers defined by the OSI model. Cybersecurity solutions all refer to this model. And there are many, many solutions for layers 3 and above. That's the IP to the application layers. And there are solutions for securing layer 2, the Ethernet layer. But what about layer 1, the physical layer? It's been left wide open without any security. Another big aspect that faces all organizations is the increasing regulation and compliance around cybersecurity. NIST, ISO 27000, CIS, and other cybersecurity frameworks specifically talk about hardware threats. As a matter of fact, in the CIS cybersecurity best practices, the #1 rule is inventory and control all hardware. So we help organizations map to these requirements. Now, the Sepio solution discovers and blocks malicious devices, and we offer full protection against rogue peripheral devices, invisible network devices, and soon we'll be offering a solution for manipulated firmware. Here we see 2 types of attacks that we address. The first on the upper diagram is based on innocent-looking peripherals that are connected to the endpoint. We found multiple devices such as mouses, keyboards, barcode scanners, printers, and even more that looked innocent but were actually malicious. We are the only solution that detected them, although attacked organizations were highly secured by up-to-date endpoint security, network security, and many other security tools. The second type of attacks on the bottom part are ghost devices, and ghost devices are ones that exist on the network without a MAC or IP address and therefore are invisible to all network access control technologies. These attacks give unlimited access to the network to do whatever they want And if they're run smartly, they'll never be caught. Why? Because all these attacks are running below the radar of all other cyber tools. Here are just a few of the tools that we've found. A rogue mouse hiding a Raspberry Pi, a ProxyCast pocket port that runs in ghost mode, a cellular router that attacked an ATM. None of these tools are going to be found by any solution other than us. The system architecture is based on 4 parts. First, the agents that are installed on the endpoints, and they monitor, regulate, and protect against rogue peripherals. Then there's the agentless connection to the network switches. Sepio's solution is using these switches already installed and configured as sensors for detection of ghost devices. We don't need any extra hardware. We're not asking for rewiring, reconfiguration, or anything more than a simple console connection to the switches. Sepio's solution is unique. We can detect passive devices, such as taps, inside the network by using the network switches. The Sepio Prime, on-prem or cloud-based, orchestrates it all and integrates with other systems such as SIEM and NAC. And then finally, the Sepio Cloud, optional, brings in-depth threat intelligence to the organization. Sepio Suite brings total visibility, including discovery of invisible elements. It analyzes the device behavior and detects anomalies. It alerts and blocks upon any attempt or breach, and it's flexible and easy to use. Here's an overview of our organization, the leadership team, which I'm very proud to be a member of, and uniquely includes officials from the CIA, the Mossad, DoD, and of course, industry veterans. Thanks for your time today. Listen, if you're interested in learning more about Sepio systems, give us a call, because we'd love an opportunity to do a demo for you and discuss how we can help you. Thank you again.